Concerns over alleged illegal groundwater harvesting and wasteful water dumping have been raised by a complainant led by activist Avertino Miranda, who highlighted the large scale excavation activities carried out by MS Worldwide Resorts and Entertainment Private Limited in Bambolim Tiswari. The actions are reportedly causing environmental degradation, aquifer depletion, and saltwater intrusion. Authorities have been urged to intervene under the Goa Groundwater Regulation Act to protect the region's ecology and groundwater resources. Watch further as we bring you the ground visuals and updates from the inspection.
So, following my complaint on 31st December 2024 to the WRD, after seeing all this damage to the large cavity being created in the ground at Bamboli, at plot number 358, this comes on the Bamboli Panchayat, this massive, and we have seen for the first time that 4 springs have sprouted. It's a leakage of the aquifer basically. It's a damage caused to the aquifer. As a result, this is a huge, massive injury to the aquifer, our groundwater. So they have damaged the groundwater. Now we are going to ask the WRD to deploy some geohydrologist who will give his expert opinion how to restore this. We have to restore this because this is a massive destruction of environment. Large scale. I have never seen such a huge cavity except in the mining areas. So to see this in the village which is close to Panjim, Bamboli, we are feeling really hurt. We can't imagine that these people are so heartless that we are not against development, but not by destroying our groundwater. Tomorrow there is no groundwater, people are going to die of thirst. Everywhere we are going to destroy the groundwater. Where will the water come from? Because these are the sources of all the villages are depend on. Ramana will explain to you how this is going to affect. So that's why we have said we have called for this urgent inspection. We are thankful to the WRD that within 48 hours they called. But somebody alerted them and they removed the pump. The pump, the water just pumping the pipe to the massive pipe and dumping in the gutter. We got the videos and we got the photographs. They have removed that to cover up their crime. And they are saying this is not a hill. Oh, boy, dongar poi mere. Oh, kada dongar na poi. Ye deunti dongar chi. Oh, dongar, this is not a hill. They are saying this is not a hill. They have no hill cutting permission. And the TCB cannot give also hill cutting permission. The High Court has said several times that you cannot damage the environment because hills are part of the environment. If they because they are NDZ, no development zones. If you destroy the eco-sensitive area, this is a highly fragile eco-sensitive area. Imagine this earth being totally destroyed. It's such lovely water, so many millions of liters of water is being destroyed every day, and they're pumping and throwing it out in the gutter, in the nala. We got the videos and we got the photographs of that. Even they try to cover up the truth.
So, आज inspection करून अथॉरिटीने किती सांगितलं?
आता ते त्यांचे रिपोर्ट दिसले आणि आम्ही त्यांना सांगला किती प्लीज बिकॉज वी डिड नो दॅट इज सो मच ऑफ डॅमेज बिकॉज वी कॉट सी एवरीथिंग वॉज लॉक्ड अंडर लॉक अँड की सो वन्स वी केम हियर वी सॉ सो मच डॅमेज वी आर आस्किंग देम टू रिस्टोर दिस लँड टू द ओरिजिनल स्टेट दिस हॅज टू बी रिस्टोर्ड इफ दे डोंट रिस्टोर इट then we'll initiate legal action.
Can you give a list of things that you observed? What is illegal here?
First of all, hill cutting is illegal. Then damage to aquifer is illegal. Groundwater is illegal. Floor area ratio is 40%. You can see this is 40%. They have crossed 80%. I'm giving you a rough picture. If you stand here and see how much they have occupied, how much they have dug up, they allowed only 40%. The problem is what? They get away with crime because nobody questions them. And tree cutting. So many tree cover has been cut. And if they're going to replant the trees, where they're going to replant? If such a big structure is going to come, where is the space to? There's no setback. You see this, they're wall to wall. The construction is completely
to the road.
What is proposed to come here?
This is the hotel project. They have proposed a casino
It's
also.
a casino and 7 floors with casino and hotel.
Casino and hotel.
So these are the people who are doing major damage to Goa's environment, casinos and builders.
Okay. Which permission they don't have?
They don't have hill cutting permission, they don't have WRD permission, and they don't have environment impact assessment. When you do such a environmentally damaging activity, you have to see the impact of the environment. Even I'm the petitioner at the Oshel Spring. High Court has clearly said they should have done an environment impact assessment. This is not being done. So before you would do any construction, at least try to assess now what the damage to environment will be. They don't care. It's all about money. They're only interested in profits.
The thing. So I actually live close by in Aldea properties, but so many people in Aldea have been going past this site and getting really concerned, seeing so much water just flooding out. And in October we were reading like Cutcroft Village had no water, and here we see fresh water just flowing like a little waterfall. Then we tried to get it stopped, but nothing happened. We also did get an RTI filed, and my understanding is that they don't have permission for a 7-storey hotel. They only have permission for 3-storey residential building. So there's other concerns about the approvals as well.
As per the regional plan 2020, regional plan, this area is only for settlement and institutions. This cannot be converted into commercial. They have done it illegally. TCP has illegally given permission. And when the matter is in the High Court, all these zone changes, matter is being challenged. The ongoing cases are going on. Even today there is a hearing of this TCP, all the zone changes. And yet they are going ahead. Despite this being a sub judice matter, they are going ahead with the construction.
You're the complainant in this. What made you complain? What is the thing that you saw from outside that made you complain?
Well, the first thing I saw originally was the trees. There were trees here, and then they all were cut down. But then what I noticed from about June, July, was this water just flowing out, being pumped into this drain. And then I was trying to make inquiries, what's happening, where's this water from? And finally, I realised that this is what's happening. So I feel very upset almost by this loss of groundwater, because even in Aldea, till very recently, we depended on groundwater. We didn't have, now we've got some PWD water, but we depended on groundwater and bore wells, and now we just see it being wasted in this way. It seemed just terrible. You know, we had to do something about it. So we want it properly investigated. And looking at this, we think these sort of basements in this area are just not viable. They're just going to destroy groundwater aquifers. Yeah.
She actually alerted me. She's a really concerned citizen, that she feels that the pain to see this destruction. As much as we feel the pain, she took the initiative, and I said we must act on this. And accordingly, 31st December, we filed. Earlier also we had come here, but they were not allowing us to see inside what is going on. So we didn't know what is happening. Then we saw there was massive pumping of water for last several weeks. And the big complaint, but WRD came, they stopped them, they again restarted, and today they removed the pipes which they're pumping out water.
Last night they removed the pipes. I also wanted to say that many residents in Aldea are concerned, so they're not in this photo, but up here we've had
all the
Supreme
have come
Court
here.
advocates, very developer as well. So we're not anti-development, but it must be sensible development. This is just not acceptable in Goa.
ही जी हांगा डेव्हलपमेंट जाल्ले बांबोलीम हिल जे आशिल्ले येदे व्हडले ताजो कंप्लीट डिस्ट्रक्शन जर तुमी पळयत मुखा वयल्यान हिला वयल्यान सगळे कडेन कन्स्ट्रक्शन जालें आनी आतां हांगा हे येदे व्हडले म्हणजे ऑलरेडी ह्या सायडीक सगळ्यात कन्स्ट्रक्शन जावन काबार जाल्ले आसा व्हडले रियल इस्टेट सगळ्यात रिचस्ट हे आतां हांगा जर पळयत जाल्यार इट इज शॉकिंग हे आतां वयर डोंगरार घरां बांदले जाल्यार आतां हे अंडरग्रावंड गेला आनी इतके म्हणजे इट इज अ वॉटर रीच एरिया हांगसर सगळे वयले बांबोळे वयल्यान सगळे स्प्रिंग्स येतात आनी ते ब्लॉक करून हांगा येदी व्हडली कितें बांदता एक्झॅक्टली कसलें हॉटेल आनी कोणाक लागून बांदता हो प्रश्न आसा आनी इतकी माती तेणी काडल्या हांगसरली म्हणजे एक अन्याय हो ह्या जमनीचेर हांगसरल्या ह्या जमनीचेर इतकी माती एक्सकेट करून तेणी भायर ओडून हांगा कॉन्क्रीटचें कन्स्ट्रक्शन करून ताका लागून एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट आनी बाकीचे लोकांक कन्सर्न जालें म्हण आमकां हें कळ म्हणून हांव तें पळोवपाक आयल्लो आतां पूण हांगा पयलें इट इज शॉकिंग इतकें आय कूड नॉट इवन इमॅजीन अशी हें आसा आनी अशी जर तुमी डेली उदक काडून हें व्हडले तळे जातले आशिल्ले हांगसरलें उदक काडून ते खंय तरी भायर उडयता म्हणून आमी WRDक रिक्वेस्ट केल्ले आनी सगळ्यांनी सो ते आयज येवन पळयता जाल्यार हांगा झरे आसात हांगा बरी ही माती आशिल्ली पयलींची ती काडल्या ती खंय तरी व्हरून उडयल्या आनी कितें तरी मॅसिव कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑलरेडी पळय सकयल एक बेजमेंटाचो एक फ्लोर आयलो ताजे वयर आनी एक फ्लोर येवपाक शकता आनी ताजे वयर मागीर कितें बिल्डींग जातल्यो सो वॉट इज दीस हे कोणाक लागून डेव्हलपमेंट TCP करता TCP जेन्ना आपले रुमांनी बसून हें सगळें करून दिता आनीक हांगा जाय तशें आतां फूल एंटायर एरिया डिमार्केट केल्या तितकी तेणी खणल्या यू कॅन सी म्हणजे कांयच आनी जागोच ना, म्हणजे ताका सेटबॅक रुल्स ना विलेजीचे, ताका FAR ना, ताका CRZ लागना, ताका बाकीचे रुल्स लागना बिल्डिंगेचे सगळे. कितें चल्लां हांगा? सो हांगा जर पळयत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता कायद्याचें राज्य कांय उरूना. गोंयांत बाकी कडेन जशे व्हडले व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट चालू आसा तशे हे हांगा चालू जाल्या. सुदैवान हांगसरल्या एक थोडे बरे चिंतपी लोकांनी हे पळयलें, कळ्ळें म्हणून तांणी एक कंप्लेन फायल केल्या. ताजे फुडेंय ते वयतले, आमी तांचे बरोबर आसतले. पूण म्हाका दिसता म्हाका बांबोळेच्या आनी सांतांद्रेच्या लोकांक सांगून दिसता की हें जें पळय कितें चल्लां, तुमकां एखादें कितें सांगतले ना, तुमकां आमी टॅक्सी चलोवपाक दितले, तुमकां आमी हें करूं दितले, आनी आमच्या ह्या जमनीचो, आमच्या भुंयेचो ते नाश करता. ताका लागून हांगसरले जे कोण लोकप्रतिनिधी आसात, इन्क्लुडींग पंचायत, इन्क्लुडींग MLA, इन्क्लुडींग गव्हर्मेंट, तांणी म्हाका दिसता हाजेर लक्ष दिवपाची गरज आसा. तांणी एक अजून हाजेर कांयच कोणेच क्वेश्चन काडलेलो ना. म्हणून हांव हे मुद्दम पळोवपाक आयिल्लो आनी वी वील परस्यू दीस. आय एम वीथ दॅम. आनी म्हाका दिसता बाकीच्या लोकांनी, सांतांद्रेच्या बांबोळेच्या लोकांनी, हांगसरल्या गांवच्या लोकांनी हांगा रावपाक जाय. आज तुमकां हांगा रावपाक आनी कांयच जागो उरपाना. हें जें पळय चल्लां हांगसर डिस्ट्रक्शन, इट इज मॅसीव. आनी थोडे दिसांनी तुमकां एक श्वास सुद्दां घेवपाक जागो. इतकें चल्लां.
सर तुमकां दिसता आतां हिंगा पंचायतीक आनी MLA खबर ना, कित्याक पंचायतीक जाल्यार पंचायत कितें म्हणटले, डेफिनेटली TCP इज अ टेक्निकल बॉडी टू गिव अ परमिशन. सो बट एज दिस थिंग इज अलाउड.
They have a right to not to give license.
पंचायती
Construction license with the पंचायत.
पंचायती जबाबदारी कितें आसा, आपल्या गांवाचें रक्षण करप. TCPन जर कितें परमिशन दिलें आसत, दिलें आमी काय पळोवन आसूं, दिल्लें आसत जाल्यार पंचायत हॅव टू अगेन आस्क टू दॅम, वी हॅव टू रायट देम, बाबा दिस इज नॉट द वे यू शूड गिव परमिशन. तुमी कितें दिता. सो वाय पंचायत इज देर जाल्यार ग्रामसभा कित्याक आसता, थंय घातला आनी येदे व्हडले प्रोजेक्टाचे म्हाका दिसना. सो खूब जाण लोक केन्नाय प्रश्न विचारता, पूण हेजेर कांय येना की आय फॉलो ऑल दी ग्रामसभा, VDC आसता हांगा, एक कितें चल्लां हांगा. सो पंचायत आनी इवन लायक से MLA, आय डोंट नो वेदर ही हॅज सीन दीस ऑर ही हॅज रेज्ड एनी इशू अबाउट इट. सो म्हाका दिसता ताणें हांगा येवन पळोवपाची गरज आसा विथ ऑल ऑफिशियल्स आनी कंप्लेनंट. So I request them also to give this copy to MLA. Let us see what he does on this issue, and let it be WRD, let it be TCP, let it be Panchayat department, let it be other department. जे कोण हांगा इन्वॉल्व आसा ते सगळे म्हाका दिसता हांगा येवन हे पळोवचे पडटले, इन्क्लुडींग फॉरेस्ट. हे वयले सगळे फॉरेस्ट आसले तेही काबार. आनी हे अशे वॉटर सोर्सीस जर तुमी ना करीत जाल्यार हांगा कांयच उरपाना. हे भायल्यान लोक हांगा येवन घरां बांदतात, ही मोठे मोठे बंगले हांगा आसात. आमचो तेजेर कांय व्हडलो आक्षेप ना, पूण अशें करप आनी एनवायरमेंटल डिस्ट्रक्शन करप हें जर पळयत जाल्यार आमी खंय तरी मायनींग एरियान आयल्या दिसता. आज म्हाका येदी व्हडली पीट जाल्यात हांगा.
मॅडम, आयज कितें जालें? आयज इन्स्पेक्शन येयलेलें हिंगा आनी कितें म्हण तुमकां दिसतालें आनी कित्याक म्हूण कंप्लेन हाडली?
ॲक्च्युली हे कंप्लेन लोकल्सान केल्ले, सेम दॅट आमी ग्रावंड वॉटर ड्रॉ करता म्हणून हांगासरल्यान. बट ॲक्च्युली द थिंग इज आमचें कन्स्ट्रक्शन फ्रॉम जून बंद आसा अँड द complaint is actually baseless because we are not drawing in any water. Whatever was accumulated was because of rains, and since June it is being stopped only. Ajuni आमी comments करूंक ना. And also we have all the approvals for the project, and yeah, they were questioning about the approvals. ते उदक खंयच्यान येता, आणि इवन ते स्ट्रीमचे उदक actually ते फ्लो जाता, it was because of the tidal waves and nothing to do with our construction or anything, but still they were targeting us.
So तुमचे सगळे डॉक्युमेंट इन प्लेस आसा?
In places, everything in place.
आनी यू विल टेक पार्ट ऑफ इन्क्वायरी कितें आहा जाल्यार तुमी कॉपरेट करतले?
आमी करता, आमी सदांच कॉपरेट करता. आमच्या कडल्यान सगळे रिप्लायज बीन ऑन टायम वयता. ऑल द डॉक्युमेंट्स वॉट एवर दे आर वी गिव देम. इनफॅक्ट आर कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायट ऑल्सो आमचे भायर अप्रुवल्स बीन सगळे आसा.